Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can boost your FPS in Genshin Impact, and also how you can increase performance. So let's start. So what you want to do is just press escape here and then just click settings. When you're gonna be in settings, you're gonna see graphics here and click on that. And now you have option to choose between high, lowest, medium. Go to medium or even to low. And now you want to go with again VSync close. FPS I would change to 60, so that's really important. That's what I would do, and that's like the beginning what I would do, and everything low. Then you want to go to your task manager, Ctrl+Alt+Delete, and go to details, Genshin Impact, right click on it, set priority, and go high. So increase the priority, so it's going to use more juice from your computer. Then what I would recommend, also close Google Chrome here, Steam, Photoshop, all the programs that you're using in the background. I would definitely delete them. So this is what I would do, close them up. Then go to search and write graphic settings. And when you're gonna be in graphic settings, let's wait. You want to go to browse. It's not working. You just want to find Genshin Impact here. Then go here to NVIDIA GeForce panel. And also right click on it, GeForce Experience. And you want to click on drivers. And you need to check for updates and download the new driver. I'm not going to download yet now this one, but I'm going to download it soon. And then when you're gonna click on home, I wouldn't do anything there. So this is pretty much it what you can do and what I recommend doing. Just check for updates, download the updates. Let's go graphic settings again. And now we see it here, browse. And just choose. Right, options. And then you're gonna click high performance and you click save. And this is also what you can do for higher performance. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. Goodbye guys.